the Coffee Trails, Thailand. I'm here at a little spot called Baan Coffee, which is just outside of Phayao, which is about 2.5 hours away. It's a different province from Chiang Mai. Now, it's a really lovely little spot, or should I say, it used to be a really lovely spot until about 2 years ago when they built this. Now, people would frequently come to this coffee place because it had a lovely, well, you'll see in a moment what it's got. But then they built this monstrosity of a flyover, which did not do a lot for business. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here first. Now they've had to go to some fairly extraordinary lengths to try and get people coming in here. It's huge up here. You could probably fit in this whole establishment somewhere around 150 people, I reckon, easily. And the view would have been spectacular. You can look over the mountains over there, but then the view here is this monstrous motorway, and of course these monstrous pylons. Let's walk a little bit further because there's actually another level that we can go up as well. Not many people have been up here lately, so it's like absolutely amazing. Really fantastic. If it weren't for all this concrete everywhere, you'd have all these glorious views. So what do you do then? What do you do when, for instance, your business used to thrive on people stopping in here to look at the views, enjoy a lovely cup of coffee, maybe a bite to eat as well? What do you actually do so that you can get customers in? Well, I'm going to show you what these people have done. Now, you may not agree with it. I'm not 100% in agreement. This is a 6-year-old tortoise. This one here, who's having a little hide. Now, they've got some room to run around in. They do have room to run around in. They've got some beautiful fishes. Look at the size of some of those. Oh, I can see your tonsils, mate. And is he going to get yai mac mac?
No.
No?
Honey.
He's not going to get so big. These are the size of them right here. They're very interesting things. They kind of, they don't feel anything like you imagine they're going to feel like snakes. They're really quite beautiful things. And of course, one might argue, well, they belong in the jungle, but as I said, some of you will agree with it, some of you will not agree with it. Now, what else do we have here? Oh, what is this? Anaconda. Oi.
Robert.
Robert.
Robert. สวัสดีครับ
Roddy. Robert. นิสัยไม่ดี
ไม่อยากอู้หน่อยอย่างนี้
ฮะ Yeah, look at that, Robert, huh? That's teasing you, so leave it alone. Huh, Robert? Now, Robert could fly away, of course, if he wanted to. Because he's not tied on to anything. In fact, most of these creatures are actually not tied on to anything, which is quite a nice thing, I suppose. I don't know what this one is. What? Oh, yeah, I know. You want attention, Robert, don't you? Look at that. Very lovely. Okay, I think it must be time for a little coffee. We'll do one. And then, who are you sniffing me? Huh? What are you doing having a good sniff there? Is that your motor scooter? Hmm? What am I going to have? It's all on there, look. Well, I might just have a nice espresso actually. No, a nice Americano. That's what I'm going to have. Yeah. Oh, look at this. I think I've showed you things like this in the past. They always have stuff like this. Oh, this must be the Bat phone. Hello, is that Batman? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we'll bring Robin as well. Americano. Thank you. Goodbye, Batman. Apparently Batman's on his way. This is nice, isn't it? Looks like a proper old... Oh, there you have a proper old record player. Okay, so... Can I have Americano lawn cup? What's this? Oh, you've got a monkey there. There's a monkey on your shoulder. What kind of monkey are you? So, I've got one of those at home. Ah, so this looks like there's my coffee coming. Splendid. Thank you. Wonderful. Oh, a bit of cinnamon on the top there. Interesting. A few beans, a bit of cinnamon. Interesting. I do love the smell of it. I don't know about you, but I love the smell of cinnamon. It's very nice. Now, am I supposed to stir my coffee with that cinnamon? I don't know. Oh, look, they've just... There's Robert. Up there. Well, I'm guessing Robert could fly away if he wanted to. He has flapped his wings a fair old few times. At night. So yeah, there you have it. I've got my coffee. I did have a couple of willing assistants, but they've gone and deserted me. Which I don't blame them. They probably get bored with all my coffee stuff. I'm going to stir. I am actually going to stir my coffee with that cinnamon stick. I don't know, it seems crazy, doesn't it? Well, that's alright. I'm a little bit crazy. Now this here coffee, Americano lawn, is 50 baht. 50 baht is about, at the moment, if you were coming here, it would cost you about £1.20, something like that. Oh, that is bloody lovely. Really, really lovely. I would say that's one of the nicest Americanos that I've ever actually had. That is really lovely. Yeah. I wonder if it's got anything to do with stirring it with that cinnamon stick. Maybe. Maybe not. Don't know. What I do know is it's bloody gorgeous. See you next time on Coffee Trails.